This is the photo after we got married.
Victoria Burton's husband, Mike Hankins, was one of a kind.
Mike was a gentleman. He really liked to make people laugh. He dedicated himself to serving others.
As 9/11 first responders, Mike and Victoria were given the horrific task of identifying human remains from Ground Zero. Mike for the FDNY, Victoria for the NYPD's crime scene unit. That's where the two met.
With all of the chaos, all the destruction, all the death, I found my soulmate.
You're investigating the origins of fires.
After serving the city of New York as a fire marshal for 25 years, Mike retired. It wouldn't be until years later he would develop gastroesophageal reflux disease and severe sleep apnea related to his work at Ground Zero.
He was certified with the GERD as being attributed to 9/11, but he was in the process of having the sleep apnea attributed to that also. But he passed away before it was completed.
In March, Mike was diagnosed with COVID-19, and after nearly a month-long battle with the virus, he died on April 2nd.
It's been a glorious year, and just 2020, I have good vision for this. Get it?
Mike was gone in an instant, and Victoria wasn't able to say goodbye.
I could not believe the turn that this had taken.
Mike was registered with the 9/11 Victims Compensation Fund, and like those who were also diagnosed with 9/11 related health issues, Mike was more susceptible to the deadly effects of the coronavirus.
It's dangerous for all of us, but for these people, even more so. It's heart-wrenching.
Barish and McGarry is the law firm that represents 9/11 survivors. They've had nearly 100 clients die from COVID-19, and they're now making claims that the loved ones they leave behind are owed.
The widow or the family member would be entitled to hundreds of thousands of dollars for his pain and suffering.
But for Victoria, you can't put a price on Mike's life.
You can give me millions, it doesn't replace them.
The way Victoria is paying tribute to her heroic husband this year on 9/11, she's raising awareness about COVID-19.
This is very serious, and people are dying. I don't want him to be forgotten about.
19 years later, her heartbreak has doubled, but her mission is to make sure we never forget. In Jamaica, Jessica Easthope, Currents News.
If you're watching Currents News on YouTube, be sure to hit the subscribe button and then click on the bell to get instant updates about all of our newest content, because we are putting your faith in the news.